Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about breaking Amazon seller news, why two-part titles could be a disaster for sellers. Let's get into it. Amazon is currently testing a new product title format that could significantly impact sellers. Instead of the traditional single long title, the system being tested introduces two parts. One is a short, concise title of around 50 characters. The second is a longer highlight title, most likely around 150 characters. The exact limits haven't been confirmed, but history strongly suggests they will fall within this range. For more than a decade, Amazon has been trying to reduce the length of titles. Many sellers will remember past announcements where Amazon demanded shorter titles only to backtrack within weeks. This new test seems to be the middle ground. Shorter titles that display prominently, with longer highlights shown in certain situations. The biggest concern is visibility. Amazon has indicated that the long highlight section may not always appear, especially on mobile devices. Since mobile accounts for a large percentage of Amazon's traffic, this could mean many shoppers only ever see the short title. That has major implications for search engine optimization, since product titles remain one of the most powerful ranking signals on Amazon. Another factor is branding. A seller with a long brand name will immediately lose valuable space in the short title. For most products, customers are more focused on features and benefits than the brand itself. This means sellers with short, simple brand names may gain an advantage in this system. Even with the new format, keyword optimization will still matter. Titles that contain the right search terms consistently rank better. Sellers should plan to keep their keywords in both the short and long sections once the new system is officially rolled out. Amazon also mentioned that product highlights could display contextually depending on customer searches. This suggests the possibility of new advertising placements tied to these highlights. Given that advertising revenue is now one of Amazon's largest income sources, this would align with their broader strategy. What does this mean for sellers? It's wise to wait before making changes. Amazon has a history of announcing rules, testing them, and then modifying or delaying enforcement. Prematurely shortening titles or restructuring listings could waste time and reduce ranking performance. The best approach is to monitor the rollout, see exactly how it is implemented, and then adjust. Most signs suggest the system will launch within the next 90 days, but sellers should expect rapid adjustments shortly after. Even those who optimize quickly may need to revise again within days as Amazon fine-tunes the rules. This change has the potential to affect rankings by 10 to 15%, which is significant. Sellers should be aware of the risks, prepare to adapt, and continue prioritizing keywords in their titles until Amazon's enforcement is clear. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.